So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys two Metaverse games that I'm investing in. But you're probably thinking, bro, all the Metaverse games have already pumped like 5,000%. You're absolutely right. We have seen Decentraland, we have seen Axie Infinity have amazing runs and make people pretty much millionaires in a couple of months. But these two games that I'm about to show you right now haven't even launched yet. So all those massive gains, I believe, are definitely possible for these two games as well. So personally, I'm investing in both of them. But before I show you what they are, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free Bitcoin on every single purchase. And now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last couple of weeks, we have seen a lot of Metaverse projects pretty much skyrocket overnight, simply because Facebook changed its name to Meta, and now they're going to be a Metaverse company. So all of these smaller projects in the crypto space have started pumping and are making humongous gains. All of them have pretty much skyrocketed, going up between 500 and 1,000% in 1 week. Personally, I do not feel comfortable jumping in at these high prices, so I will be waiting for the market to pull back on these projects before I jump back in. But these two games that I'm about to show you have a lot of potential in my opinion. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you these two amazing projects. So the first game is called Heroes and Empires. I have mentioned this one previously on this channel and on my TikTok. Heroes and Empires has exquisitely digital collectibles created using blockchain technology. Each collectible is matchless, genuine, and it varies in rarity. So you can get a rare one that can be worth a ton of money. Heroes and Empires universe has a lot of different races like human, goblin, elves, demon, beast, naga, god, and undead, which are waiting for the user to discover and collect. You'll be able to download this game on your iPhone, your Android phone, and on the web. So in this game, you are able to immerse yourself in the fantasy world of Heroes and Empires, the exceptional teamfight tactics RPG with visually stunning 3D graphics. Awesome. Also, play to earn. Lead your heroes into action-packed battles and win to earn rewards including HE tokens and valuable NFT assets. GameFi, you'll be able to trade your NFTs on a full stack marketplace, or you are able to utilize those assets in the Heroes and Empires ecosystem to maximize profits through DeFi features such as staking, lending, and borrowing, also NFT collateral. So here's the Heroes and Empires token information. Here's their symbol HE, the max supply, it is on the Binance Smart Chain, and here's the contract if you want to purchase some of these tokens. And here are some of the heroes that you'll be able to play with inside the game. This is the Elf race. They also have the Beast race, which looks pretty awesome in my opinion. They also have the Demon race, the Goblin race. There's a ton of different races and characters that you'll be able to play with. Human race looks pretty sweet as well. Check them out, the Undead race as well. So the Heroes and Empires token has already been released. And now let's take a quick look at their roadmap. As you can see, they have a lot of stuff planned. The marketplace version 1 has been already released. They are working on minting NFT heroes. Also, you'll be able to mint NFT gear for the items in the game and a ton of other awesome stuff that will be coming soon. We are still super early on this project. And now here's their team. They have a ton of experience behind them, and I believe they're going to take this project to the next level. And some of their advisors as well from Downmaker and a couple of other well-known projects. Here are some of their partners that either invested money into this project or are supporting it. As you can see, they have a huge list. So their marketplace has already launched, and you can use your HE tokens to purchase these amazing chests. Check them out. Right now there are 564 chests for sale. All of them vary in price. As you can see, this chest right here is going for 736 HE tokens, but there are some on here going for way more. Check this one, 1 million HE tokens. So here's the breakdown. There are 5 rare heroes in each chest. Purchasing chest guarantees 100% rare race. The ratio is 18.5% for human, beast, elf, goblin, and undead, and 2.5% for demon, god, and naga each. So your goal should be to get one of these demon, god, or naga races, simply because they're going to be a lot more rarer and they're going to be worth a lot more money. But I will definitely be buying some of these chests. Right now I'm waiting for the prices to settle, simply because the marketplace just launched yesterday, and I think over the next couple of days the prices should even out, and that is when I will make some purchases, and hopefully I get like a rare race that is going to be worth a ton of money. But the game is definitely in the works and I'm super excited for this game. I've been following this project for over a month now, and in my opinion, I think this one is going to be one of those once in a lifetime opportunities. But now, before I show you game number 2, I want to make one thing clear. This video is not sponsored by either one of these games. I reached out to both of them but got no response whatsoever. I did purchase HE tokens and I'm currently holding them. I will be using them to purchase some chests, by the way. And now let's talk about game number 2. This one hasn't even released their token yet, so we are still super early in this project. As of right now, they are still getting people into their whitelist. So if I was you, right after this video, check out their Discord and try to get onto the whitelist. This way you'll be one of the first people in, and you will get those special early investor privileges where you can end up making a ton of money. Personally, I am on the whitelist. Pretty much took me 6 hours to get on there, but I am officially in, and I will definitely be purchasing once their token is released. Alright, so this game is called Dragonverse. As you can see, it looks pretty sweet. They got a tons of different dragons, tons of different environments, but let's see what this game is all about. Dragonverse is a desktop and mobile player versus player video game. In this game, you are able to play and earn. You are able to use your dragons to fight on your own, or you can team up with other players to collect greatest riches in the kingdom. Dragons are fierce creatures with destructive powers that must be tamed to defeat your opponent. At the end of each fight, you'll be rewarded with tokens and NFTs that you'll be able to use in the Dragonverse ecosystem. Also, they are going to have prize pool contests. Also, you are able to buy, sell, and trade your NFTs in their marketplace, so you can buy dragons, sell them, and a ton of other awesome stuff. Best of all, you are able to breed eggs. So if you have 2 particular dragons, you can pretty much breed them and expand your dragon collection and hopefully get a rare dragon that can be worth a ton of money. Also, they have in-game tokens where you are able to earn money for simply playing the game. Alright, so this is how the game is going to look like. As you can see, you are able to customize your dragon so you can increase their speed, their health, their attack with all these different weapons and a ton of other features that will allow you to level up your dragon so you can win more battles. You can play one-on-one, or you can team up with other players for even bigger prizes. And here are some of the dragons that are available. As you can see, every single one is completely different. They all have their different power levels, different designs, all of that stuff. In my opinion, this black one right here that is like half dragon, half robot looks absolutely insane. And that is the one that I'm trying to get myself. Also, there are another couple that are very interesting as well. But who knows what dragon I will end up with. Alright, so here's their roadmap. As you can see, they plan on launching Dragonverse in November, and then they're going to be expanding their project, hiring more people to pretty much skyrocket the project, and they have a ton of other stuff planned out as well. I'm definitely excited for this project. As I make this video, there are just over 500 members on the whitelist out of 1,000. So there's still over 400 spots left on the whitelist. If you want to get in on a project early that can skyrocket, Dragonverse is the one in my opinion. Also, the Dragonverse community is growing extremely quick. They have over 17,000 members in their Discord, and that is where you will find the latest information on this project. So those are the 2 games that I am betting on and I am investing in. I believe they have a ton of potential to make us amazing returns over the next couple of months. Probably 2,000, 3,000, 5,000%. So I'm definitely betting on both of these games. But do not take my word for it. Make sure to do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and do not take this as financial advice. This is simply what I'm doing with my own money. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on both of these games? And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the links in the description box below. See you in the next one. Peace out.